Welcome to Tech Brothers. In this video, we're going to learn how to find particular work items in Team Foundation Server 2013. The reason sometimes we need to do that, if you're working in a complex environment and there are a lot of work items done by a lot of other teams that's connected with Team Foundation Server, and all you wanted to do is find the particular items that you have assigned to a particular person. If you know the change set, there are different filters which I'll show you in a second in order to find the work items in Team Foundation Server 2013. And in Team Foundation, they are called queries. If you wanted to, that means that you are going to query a work item based on your filtering criteria. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick that. So this is my Team Foundation server. Right here I'm connected with the Visual Studio, and this is my Team Foundation server. Team project is right here, and I wanted to look at a particular work item, so I'm gonna go ahead and click work items, and right up here you will notice on the right pane new query. So if you click on that, you will get a query that you will get a criteria. You can add more field to that. So you're gonna go ahead and set your criteria. Let's say that the work item type is, let's say that you're looking for only the tasks. So these are the work item types. So you're gonna go ahead and click on task. So that would be one criteria, and other is the state. If the state is active, closed, completed, design, in planning, in progress, all those states, if you wanted to look at this is more like a reporting, but it's way more than just reporting. But you just wanted to get to a particular work item and wanted to look at the state. If you wanted to do that, if you wanted to modify that particular work item, you can do that as well. So right now my criteria is I am just looking for work item type task, and I'm going to go in work item task type where the state is any, whether it's any state. When you click on any state, that means any of these states, whether it's resolved, activated, closed, completed, whatever the state may be, I'm okay with that. But right now I'm just looking for the work item type task. If you wanted to add more criteria, you can go ahead and click on add more clause here and you look at up here. These are the criterias that you can also put up here, that assign to, if you wanted to, if you know that who you assigned that. So you're gonna go ahead and you wanted to look at a person, such as in your, whoever is set up, you assign that particular task to. You wanted to look at a cluster admin, that's a user that you wanted to look all the work items. Type of those work items are task. State, you don't care, state could be any, but you wanted to just look at one particular user's work items. You can go ahead and select that. You can add as many criteria as you want to, and after that, once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click on run query. Alright, so if you look at it, once you run the query, all the work items that's task and assigned to cluster admin will appear right here. So you can go ahead and do whatever you need to do. Just if you wanted to just take a look on what are the state of that particular task that you assigned to a cluster admin, or if you wanted to do some other things with that particular task, you can do that. So this is how you actually run a query in order to find a particular task in Team Foundation Server. And this method is used to get different. It's just not for work items. You can go ahead and do more queries in Team Foundation Server. Back behind the scene, Team Foundation Server use get work items. In this particular case, get work item, it uses get work items based on your filter criteria, and this is how you get there. I hope this helps.